Hello and welcome to another episode of Borg Tries to Fix It. So this is going to be a big episode. My dad's here and we're going to be finishing up the engine bay to the point where we can start the engine, break in the cam, check all the systems, the coolant system, the transmission, everything. So we are going to get to it. There's a lot of work to do, but this is going to be exciting. Okay, so I have to apologize. Didn't film as much as we planned on just because we got going, got wrenching. Anyway, we got the front core on, you saw. We put in the radiator and the fans. And we got the cooler lines coming from the transmission. Those are just in there loose right now. Here's the carb setup on here. All right. For now, we just got the heater hose looped just for running it. We'll hook up the vintage air system later. So that's where we're at right now. Next, we're going to put in the shifter. It's just sitting right there. Put that in so we can get the neutral safety switch working okay. Then we got distributor to put in. And then I think we're almost to the point where we can start this thing.
right?
Yep.
Wants to. What? 2. Light, right? Yeah, it's the timing definitely backfires through the. Well, we can go look it up and see which way it's supposed to go.
Okay, try that.
Okay, sit back here. You think? You need eyebrows to work? Watch yourself. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, watch yourself.
Okay.
Might be going.
Again.
Yeah.
Again. Once more.
Ah.
That's all right. Got to mark the timing thing so I can actually see it. But it ran.
That's funny. Well, it sounds good.
It ran.
Sounds good.
Better sound good.
Sounds great.
Good. All right.
All right.
All right. Ready?
Ready. Watch yourself.
Yep. Go for it.
Ooh, wait a minute. Ouch.
guess it's a good time to do a little voiceover here. We started breaking in the cam, and we need to keep the RPMs above 2,000 RPMs. So we had to do this for 20 minutes, probably the most stressful minutes of my life. So here you see we found a leak in the upper radiator hose, and so we're tightening that. We're keeping an eye on the temperature gauge in the car at the same time. So everything seems to be going pretty well at this point. Like I said, we're tightening it up so we don't get any leakage on the floor. But, things are going. The thermostat seems to be opening and things are good. Obviously, we're paying so much attention to this, we don't notice that the temperature is really increasing now, and we really need to shut it down.
Too hot.
240.
Too hot.
230 again.
Ah, okay.
I don't.
Well.
Okay, so after some mishaps during the break-in, we seem to be okay. Let's see. We got a pretty mild cam in it that you can hear. So that is a huge milestone reached. We have the engine running, we have the cam broken in. I think we've worked out the kinks in the coolant system. I think there was just some air in it. Obviously, we got to put the fenders on, and I have a lot of wiring to, get run the right way and get tied up and get out of there. But we are really, really close to at least getting this thing down on the wheels and driving. So I'm very excited. This was awesome. This gives me, new life in this build, and hopefully, I can, go through the last couple things and at least, get a seat in here and just drive it down the road, which is going to be huge. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one.